guys, these are 2 for $4, so I'm gonna get like 4 of these right off the rip. 2 for $4, you can't beat that. Right off the rip, I'm gonna get like 4 of those. So I'm gonna grab 2 gallons of milk, because that will last us. 2 gallons, and they're like $2.59 each. Pay attention, guys. I know how to do this. So guys, these are 2 for $7, whatever cut you would like. So I'm gonna get 2 of the thick cuts, because they're 2 for $7. You see, I know how to make it work guys. And I'm gonna show you what I got so far. So that's 7, that's about 5, that's 12, and that's 4, 12 and 8 is 20. That's $20 already. Staying tuned. So guys, now I'm gonna get cereal. So most people would say, okay, I can get a big box of Fruit Loops, this and that. But if you notice, guys, the biggest boxes of cereals only have like, okay, that's 23 ounces, and that's the giant size. So what do? I go down to Fruity Dynabites, which is the Market Basket brand, and you get $4.99 for 32 ounces. Guys, sometimes no name brand is a good brand, and these taste just like these guys, but 32 ounces for $4.99. And these are $5.99 for 23 ounces. See what I'm telling you? I'm gonna grab some bananas. They're 49 cents a pound, so I'll grab 1 little rack of those. I'm gonna get 1 box of grits. And mind you, I'm not gonna get 2 because this is just a little small shopping, just to pick up some items. I'm gonna get 1 pack of these. They only had 1 pack actually, which is crazy. And these are the breakfast sausage, but the Market Basket brand, and they only $3.52. So I get the one that they have. So guys, look at the ribs. The ribs are pretty cheap in price. So I'll probably get a couple of packs of ribs and make some ribs for dinner. So I wanna try to get the one that has the most ribs in it. But the more ribs you get, the more they cost. So let's see. Those are 6. And you're literally paying for like $1 per rib. So I'm gonna get this one. And I'm gonna get this one. One's $4.40 and one's $4.30, and that's a nice amount of ribs. And I'll chop them up too and make my own little rib thing. So guys, the chips are 2 for $5 for the nice big bag. So what I'm gonna get is I'm gonna get a bag of the cheese, cheddar cheese, and these are no name brand products, but you know what? The no name brand products are cheaper. So, and I usually get cheddar sour cream, but I don't see those. So I'm gonna get, let's see, what else should I get besides the cheddar? Classic, no, slightly. I'll get the yellow round, and we can eat them with salsa or cheese. See guys, this is why I come. You always, in everybody's state, they have a store that they go to that have the products for cheaper than the big chains. So our cheapest store is Market Basket. So look at this, 2 giant sized loaves of bread for $3. So I'm gonna grab 2, because you can use bread for everything. Toast, sandwiches, French toast, whatever. So bread is always a must. We have eggs, so I'm not gonna need eggs. So right now